take.
Sure.
Help! Help! Ramos knows what he did. KPD, hands up, don't shoot. I'm naked and they faked me. Trio South were just trying to save me.
Jaylyn Shani, or better known as Jae Bae, is a 29-year-old plus-size influencer, travel blogger, and fat acceptance advocate in the state of Washington. She's built a following through her YouTube channel, Jae Bae Official, and Jae Bae Productions, where she advocates for body positivity, inclusive travel, such as extra seats for larger passengers free of charge, mental health awareness, everything like that. She weighs about 550 pounds. Well, her body cam footage just dropped by the YouTube channel Arrest Cams. This arrest happened back in February of 2025, and the body cam shows what happens after the altercation with her ex-fiance Jacob that was over alleged infidelity rumors. This is not going to be a full documentary about her. This is only just going to be going over the body cam. So let's start back before this body cam happened in late 2024, early 2025, the relationship breaking down, and a trespass prior to her body cam footage. Jaylyn was in a polyamorous relationship with her fiance Jacob. Tension escalated over infidelity rumors and living arrangement. They were in a shared house and possibly owned by Jacob's parents at the time. On January 26, 2025, Jaylyn was arrested for trespassing after allegedly refusing to leave the property following a move-out deadline. She called 911 claiming domestic violence, but the police determined it was a civil dispute. This incident was captured on a bystander footage showing her waiting agitatedly for officers. Reddit users speculated it stemmed from her quote-unquote spiraling online presence, including attacks on fellow creators who were trying to help her. The arrest at the hospital. The main incident occurred at a Washington hospital. Jaylyn was seeking treatment amidst the breakup drama. According to the reports and body cam content, she discovered evidence of Jacob's infidelity, possibly during a business trip conference, triggered a severe emotional breakdown. Her father later corroborated the cheating claims in an online statement. The police were called after Jaylyn allegedly became quote-unquote unhinged and refused to leave. So the body cam footage starts with the officers trying to figure out with staff how Jaylyn got there, because apparently she was transferred to this mental health hospital in an ambulance, and they already had her in like a medical gown, and the medical staff was like, yeah, she came in like this. The reason I bring this up now is because Jaylyn claims that they left her naked and she had only this gown, when in reality that's how she came into this mental health building.
I see very unruly people.
So apparently, how did she get up here? Did she come from Catholic?
The corner right next to Catholic, she called 911, and Rich and Fire was like, we can't take her anywhere else. And I was like, no, that's fine, bring her here. And she was fine for a while, but now she's getting amped up and just being very verbally aggressive towards the staff.
So Ramos has dealt with her before and has a number to her dad. So basically she meets Crisis is aware, she meets criteria, but no one can deal with her because of her size.
Sure.
So he's calling her dad on the way up here to see if, because apparently he came and picked her up once before. And we'll see if we can go that route. But she has the ability to go into Crisis, but they don't have any place that can handle her. So
she's quite angry, but also saying that we are harassing Jaylyn.
This will come up later, but the officers that are talking to Jaylyn, they found that majority of the hospitals and places will not accept her, or they can't accept her because of her size. And she has burnt many bridges when they start talking to Jaylyn and trying to figure out where she can go, like if she can go to like a shelter. They try to figure out like what's a place that can take her, because her dad will not take her at this point. There was also stated before that there was another officer that has dealt with her before on other cases, and this officer Ramos is unfortunately going to be at the end of a lot of verbal assault by Jaylyn. Now, majority of the time that the officers are talking with her, they are trying to be nice and figure out what's going on, but she will be flip-floppy in a lot of her responses. Like one time she goes, well, I want to leave this place, and then she flops back saying, well, I came here for help. So the officers are at a point where they're like, we're trying to let you call people, you aren't wanting to call people, you want us to arrest you, then you don't want us to arrest you, you want to stay at this mental health place, but then you don't want to.
My name's Officer Lay with Kennewick PD.
I'm Jaylyn. IGR, well, my birth name is Jaylyn,
okay.
IGR.
Okay.
Born on.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I filed many reports. Well, I've been trying to file many reports.
Okay.
Actually, we started here when they hired a fake actor.
Okay.
That was really cool to come in and stuff. But I could tell you all about it down at the police department if you want. I don't know. I thought I was being called here because I thought I was having a mental health crisis because they made me seem that way.
Okay.
But they know what they're doing. And unfortunately, these paid actors are now involved. I tried to let them know that they should have left, but
okay. So what's going on today, Jaylyn?
I called the FBI. I needed Crisis. I had my SARC stuff that was getting done at Cadillac, which I figured out is where I was kidnapped from the first, or I was born there. Kidnapped, that whole thing. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
But I'm waiting for SARC to call. They disconnected that phone, so it won't work. If you pick it up, it won't work.
Okay.
You want to try calling from it?
So the whole.
I know your thing isn't on, so
it's on. It's recording.
It is. Okay.
So what's the whole situation right now? You're just waiting for SARC?
No, I'm trying to get hold of SARC.
You're trying to get a hold of SARC?
But somehow people kept coming to me that were like, we're Cadillac, and you guys thought I was faking, and then I was thinking I'm crazy, so you know what's up. They've left me naked though like this. I really thought I was coming to get help, and I thought maybe God really did bring me here. But certain PD members were threatening me and extorting me. That's when I was like, it's weird, dude. I'm not crazy. Do I feel safe in this Tri-Cities? Absolutely not, and I need to get the fuck out. But that's why I wanted you guys to arrest me earlier.
Oh, so what's your plan to get out of Tri-Cities?
I don't know. I was gonna wait for SARC, but they told me they can't. They would need to get me to one of the places they gave me. I have an evidence bag.
Okay.
They went through my evidence bags, thinking they could find my laptop and my phone, which were supposed to be with Jerome, probably in prison now.
Okay.
I haven't watched a single bit of social media news since the 23rd. I don't know, since my phone and all that shit started going wonky. So I was trying to go to the police station so I could tell people like this, what Kara and all these fake actors are doing, and how the hospitals do what they do. And I thought they were literally treating me as a patient, but I'm tired. I haven't slept in literally 20 days, which doesn't even sound humanly possible.
Okay. Do you have any family in the area, Jalen?
Yeah, my dad, Jerome.
Where does
7.5.
Okay.
I couldn't tell what was real and what was fake.
Would you want Dad to come and pick you up?
I sure the would.
Do you have a phone number for Dad?
He has my phone, so if you call it, it should work.
So what's your phone
Now it's
number?
all coming to me.
Okay. What's your phone number?
My phone number is 5. No, I need a mental eval. 653.
653.
The other ones are okay now. So we're just dealing with her. Having to get hold of Dad.
Dad will not come. She brought his
Good.
She said that he tried to help her out, try to contact crisis as well.
She's saying something about SARC. I don't know what SARC would be doing to help her, but
So she filed an allegation that she was sexually assaulted, but it's I read the report yesterday, and it's unfounded. I mean, she's just going on and on. It got referred to CID, but there's no evidence of it.
Okay.
So,
Well, would Dad be?
Dad should know. Dad's bad guy. Dad's bad guy. I tried to call welfare check on him. I need a mental health eval though, but clearly all the hospitals are now shut down in the Tri-Cities. Is that what I'm getting at? Or they at least will trespass me because they've done really bad things to me.
We've got like 2 hospitals here.
Two more left?
No, I mean there's Cadillac or Trios. That's one.
Well, I've been trespassed from all of them, but Cadillac, I was actually going to be safe. That they thought all of a sudden though that I was going to sue them, and then they started acting crazy. I don't know. So I think we should probably go to Dad's house. We should probably go to Dad's house and let me talk to Dad.
Yeah, I can give Dad a call and see if he comes swing by and pick you up. Okay?
or she's willing to have Dad come pick her up. Dad doesn't want to pick her up.
That's right.
Dad won't pick her up because she's been acting like that.
Yeah, her dad will come get her. Well, then I guess
He's got a little kid that she has been scared of her. So.
is that your guys' wheelchair?
yes, she has no clothes on, just so you know.
Did she come in that way?
How'd she get it?
Ambulance.
From Catholic.
Lords.
She got this all the hospital.
She's got it figured out. She knows exactly what she's doing.
So yeah, they don't want you here, and your dad is not willing to come help you because you burned that bridge. So what are you gonna do?
I got a whole packet of information from SARC when they were doing my race today.
Well, SARC's not available at this time. So what are you gonna
I can go to
do?
one of the shelters that they listed. I just need a phone because I don't know what mine is. Can you guys help me get my stuff? This is how they left me though, and I literally cannot. I have.
Where did your clothes go from wherever you were at to start with?
My race kit at SARC, the SARC kit at Cadillac, where I just started. Remember when they trespassed me?
To take you there because we can't have you hanging out there either.
Okay, then
Because it's
I have
closed.
a packet of information. They
Okay.
just with their phone, they weren't letting me call out other than 911. They were trying to monitor all the calls. I know.
Does that phone work?
Whatever they're saying is accurate, then
Is it like I have to dial 9 to get out, or find a phone number? We'll give you a second to try to figure that out, and then you can come over here and use this phone.
I don't have a motor scooter. I don't know where it's at. So my Dash Moto.
She says she has a number for a shelter from SARC from
Yeah,
her
my
stuff, so
whole SARC
we'll let her try to make a phone call.
But yeah, I'll make phone calls from here.
Well, you don't have a lot of time to make phone calls,
Okay, well,
but you can make a phone call,
Okay, hold on.
and then if you can't find something after that, then we will help escort you off the property since they do not want you here.
Can we do that? Can we do that?
Do what?
Let's escort me off the property in the wheelchair so I can at least not be naked.
Well, you won't get to keep the wheelchair because it belongs to the hospital.
So do you guys have like an ambulance you can take me to?
Nope, you would be able to walk yourself.
Oh, okay, well I can't.
Yes, you can. I've seen you do it multiple times.
At this point, the hospital does not want her there anymore. The hospital is going to work with the police to trespass her. They do give her the trespass papers. Now, at this point, the police are going to ask Jalen to call like a shelter or call another service to try to come and grab her because she cannot stay at this building. They do not want her here anymore. But unfortunately, this will become a struggle because she tries to call other places and the police are like, that's not who you need to be calling. They're probably not even open right now. You need to start calling a shelter.
Okay, I need medical attention. I need to talk to you guys.
Well, you're no longer welcome here, so
Okay.
you need to figure it out.
So I need to call Mir Ministries. Can you-
All right, what's the phone number? Come on over here so you can have it here.
509.
Is that one like an emergency for
Okay, that's
sexual
the phone.
assault?
Yes.
Well, that's not what's occurred right now, so we don't need to bother them with that.
Oh, okay.
You
Let me
need
call my
some type of
advocate.
housing.
Oh, housing.
Unless you want to just go out and walk down the street. That's fine too.
Yeah, let's do that. I'm just not
Okay.
naked. I don't feel comfortable doing that.
Well, you have blankets and something
No,
covering you.
I'll find my advocate's number in here. But just, here's the card. That's like criminal court proceedings. Here we go. Boom, here we go. Hit the thing. Can you hit the thing? Do I only get one call?
Can you come
Yeah.
make those?
Ugh. So where's my trespass paperwork this time, Ramos?
Julie's working on it.
Good. Make sure I get it in hand and copy before you guys escort me off the property.
Yeah, sure.
I'll be chilling here until you can. It's funny how they always call you Ramos. You seem to be involved in so many weird incidences. You remember KPD number? Oh wait, you don't. Oh, they want to talk to law enforcement officers. But wait, that's not you, right? Remember the trespass? Remember that drone that showed up earlier when you guys pushed me out of the thing? Oh, yeah, see, the phone's not working for me. You want to try it again? Here, I'll have you push the buttons. Ready?
No, you're an adult. You can push them by yourself.
I can't. It's not working when I do it.
Seemed to work fine for the nurse and seemed fine. If you do that one, you're just going to get a ticket then.
Hi, I'm at Trio Southridge Hospital. You have Willison and Ramos here with me. I need to get arrested at this point because I have a lot to tell you about them. This is Jalen. JaelynnIgr. Oh, they're hanging up.
All right, let's go.
No, honey, they're right here. Do you want to talk to them? Do you want?
they don't
Yeah,
wanna talk to
here.
you.
They don't want to talk. They gave me a ticket though, criminal warning. It says. Oh, they're disconnecting the phone. Oh.
All right, you're good. Let's go.
That's your trespass
No, I'm
warning.
not
Your
going-
trespass
no,
from
I'm not
Trios
going
for
anywhere
99
with you.
years.
No, you're not going anywhere with us. You're
No.
leaving the
You're leaving the property.
I'm not leaving. Hey, witnesses. I need a witness.
It's all on camera. You don't have
Everything
No,
on
it's
camera.
not. You
Yes,
guys
it
know
is.
what the f you did. So if I rip this up, it's
That's fine. You've been
99
advised.
years?
Yes, 99 years. If you come back to the
I wanna
property,
get
you'll be arrested for
arrested.
trespass.
I want to get arrested, so I'm gonna rip it up.
You can rip it up all you want. That's not going to change the fact that we gave it to you and you know your trespass. So
99 years. Rip it up. This is all my evidence. Everyone.
make sure you grab all your stuff.
No, hey, you guys, please. They're going to kill me.
Grab all your stuff.
It's okay, the FBI's watching. And they saw what you just did. All the you did is with my belongings. You know where it's at? You don't know, huh? So actually, I need to call my dad now.
He doesn't. He's not interested. You've already burned the bridge, so he's not going to
I'm
come
gonna call
help
my dad, actually.
you. You can call from your phone.
Yeah,
your
give me
own.
the phone.
No, you don't get this phone. You're
Give me the-
trespassed
no,
now.
I'm not.
Yes.
I can call.
Let's go.
No,
Let's
you
go.
have to arrest me here.
No, we don't have to arrest you
Hey,
here.
I'm not leaving. I'm naked.
You're covered. You have all kinds of
Please don't
clothing.
let this happen, dude. That
That
I
way-
knew you guys would do this.
That way,
They don't want to help you.
you've burnt the bridge, unfortunately.
Trios, please. I'm sorry. This is why I was trying to talk to you privately. Please don't let them do this. You guys know what you're doing, and I'm literally naked.
We're
I'm not getting
trespassing
out
you
of the
from
wheelchair.
private property that they don't want you here.
Give me those.
Yep, we'll give them to you.
Yep, trespass me.
We'd already done that.
Make sure I'm naked on it.
That's on you. You ripped your paperwork up. That was your formal trespass notice.
This is where she has her crash out. She starts screaming for help and calling the police fat pigs, saying that the police are trying to essay her, and then starts singing anti-police chants. Then they have a mental health doctor come out of the building that she was just in, saying that she is medically clear and she can leave. She also did fall when they were trying to put her into the police car, and she was refusing to get up, and she started laying on the ground. So they had to call the EMS team to have a sling to roll her onto it and put her in the back of a police van so that they could also take her to jail.
Help! Help! Ramos knows what he did! KPD, hands up, don't shoot! I'm naked and they f***ing raped me! Trio Southridge was trying to save me! The FBI's walking. Where are you guys taking me?
Taking you off their property.
Oh. All of a sudden I can walk
Perfect.
again.
Now you can walk. Go that way. Go that way.
Arrest me.
Go that way.
Arrest me.
No.
Arrest me.
No.
911.
Walk.
I'll f***ing kill you guys.
Walk.
Yeah, because I want to. Because I want to.
You need to get
Come
off
on.
the property.
You know what you're trying to do. I don't know, dude. Go to Jacob ours. 911! They're f***ing me! They're trying to make me start.
That is the last thing that we will ever do.
Yep, I saw it happen.
Yep, you sure did. If you weren't a part of it, Ramos is. I'm not getting in the car with y'all. Help! KPD Ramos is trying to kill me! I have it recorded with the KPD!
All right, get in the car.
No! I can't! Oh my god! Mental health! Mental health! Help me! Help me! You guys are the FBI watching, right?
Get in the car.
Oh my god! Whoa! Whoa!
Go ahead and stand up.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
I can't.
You just stood up out of the chair just
I
fine
can't.
by yourself. Stand up.
I can't after all that.
Stand up.
Hold on. Hands up, don't shoot! Hands up, don't rape! Hands up, don't shoot! I'm disabled!
Stand up.
Can someone call an ambulance?
We're checking to see if that's an avenue.
Hey, don't shoot! I'm black and brown, they shoot us down. I'm black and brown, they shoot us down. Okay, guys, it's time to come out, because at this point, we need a fucking ambulance.
No, doctor.
Oh my god, I'm not doing well at all, doctor. These people are trying to hurt me. I was trying to seek refuge here, love. I'm having a mental health crisis.
Okay.
Yeah, I need help immediately. All the
Okay.
evidence they just tried to destroy.
She's
Yeah.
medically clear.
That's why everything just happened, you fucking idiots. And faggot ass piggy pig pigs. And faggot ass piggy pig pigs. Ugh. Got a shopping cart? What the f is this? Can't even see the way you guys have me like dead. Yeah, I'm super uncomfortable.
We can get that back open. Can you swing your legs out?
Yeah. Okay.
You would think that the fat activist would not call people fat, piggies, or any other derogatory terms, but that's what Jaelyn did. In the end, Jaelyn would be charged with 2 counts of trespass, misuse of 911 system, interfering with healthcare facilities, resisting arrest, obstructing law enforcement officers, and assault. She would later be deemed mentally incompetent. The reason I wanted to cover this is because I can definitely see some locales doing something like this in the future, especially Tofia you after the stunt she pulled with the 7 Tylenol, just to try to either get housing or try to show everybody like, see, you know, I am mental. That's why I need all this help. That's why I need, you know, government assistance and people giving her money. So this is something, a stunt I can see her doing. But I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.